So today's video is going to be a DIY project in which we'll reuse a plastic container and transform it into something like this, which can be used as a pen or a pencil holder or even in your kitchen, or you can store anything. Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I make videos on calligraphy, mandala, doodling, digital art, DIYs and much more. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. For today's DIY project, you need any kind of plastic container. You can also take a glass container. The other material that we need are acrylic paints, tubes or bottles with your palette, paintbrush or sponge, paint markers. You can either use Posca paint markers or any other paint markers, or a Sharpie marker, or even the regular permanent markers would work. Before painting on any surface, it is better to apply at least one coat of gesso. Gesso is a thick paste and it is used to prepare the surface for painting. For this video, I am skipping the gesso as it is pretty expensive and not really important for this project. So now we'll take our acrylic paint in the palette and apply the paint on the container. You can either use a paintbrush or a sponge. The sponge gives a really nice bubbly effect, so I'm gonna use sponge for this video. Make sure that all the spots are covered with equal amounts of paint. You can apply 2 to 3 coats of paint on the container. Once the first coat of paint dries completely, only then we'll apply a second coat and so on. Apply at least 2 and maximum 3 coats of paint on the container. The number of coats depends upon your paint quality. If it is heavy body acrylic paint, even 1 coat would be enough. Now the paint is dried completely. You can leave the container as it is or draw something on it using the markers. You can use Sharpie markers, permanent markers, or any acrylic paint markers or oil based markers. For this video, I am going to use Posca paint markers for the design. You can draw or write anything over it. I personally love leaf patterns, so I'll draw some leaves. use this cute container for storing any art supplies like pens, pencils, dotting tools, or even kitchen utensils like spoons, forks, etc. What are you waiting for? Go grab a container and reuse it and save your money. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning something new. So that's all for today's DIY project. If you want more such DIY projects on my YouTube channel, please let me know in the comment section. See you next week with a new video. Bye.